Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install applications on your TCL 32 V5C TV. First of all, navigate to the apps menu and select the apps icon, tap OK, then select get more apps if you want to install some streaming service or any other application on your TV. If you want to install a game, then select get more games. Let's go to the Google Play Store by selecting get more apps, and now here you can either navigate in the apps menu by navigating through different categories and selecting an app that you want to download, or you can also go to the top bar of the application, switch to search, and then use the search field to search for the application that you want to install. So for example, let it be the downloader application. So you just have to start entering the name of the app, and once you see it in related to results, you can press return button and select the application that you want to download, click install, and then wait until this application is downloaded and installed on your TV. And once you see the open icon, that means that the app is downloaded and installed. You can open the application right from here, or if you want to, you can go to your home screen, then open the apps menu and find your application in the apps list and open it right from here. You can also add the application to your main apps list, to your favorites list, by navigating to the end of the list and selecting the plus icon, and then selecting the app that you want to add here, and it will be added to your list. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.